What if the real secret to waking up with smoother skin, brighter eyes, and a more rested glow isn't in an expensive cream or serum, but in what you sip before bed? For so many people over 50, collagen loss, inflammation, and nutrient gaps quietly chip away at skin firmness and eye health, long before we realize it's happening. But the right nighttime drink can work like a gentle treatment while you sleep, helping your body restore collagen, calm stress, and hydrate from the inside out. In this guide, you'll discover 4 bedtime drinks that healthy, youthful-looking seniors around the world swear by, each backed by science for boosting collagen, protecting your vision, and improving deep sleep. And the last one might surprise you because it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, yet you've never thought of it as a beauty ally. Stick with me until the end so you can choose the drink that best matches your skin and sleep needs tonight. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below if you're ready to try one of these tonight, or tell me where you're watching from so I can reply personally. Shall I now expand this into the full article covering all 4 drinks in detail so it's ready for publishing? Drink number 1. Turmeric milk. If you have been noticing more fine lines, sagging skin, or a duller complexion lately, there is a good chance chronic inflammation is playing a role. Inflammation, along with a process called glycation, where excess sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff, are 2 of collagen's worst enemies. Together, they break down your skin's structural proteins, leading to wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and that tired look, even when you are well rested. One of the most powerful ways to address both problems is with a simple, time-honored drink, turmeric milk. Also known as golden milk, this comforting beverage gets its rich yellow color from curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin has been valued in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern research confirms it is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that helps protect collagen and keep skin looking youthful. How it works for your skin. Curcumin blocks a biochemical pathway called NF-κB, which acts like a master switch for inflammation. As we age, NF-κB can become overactive, keeping the body in a constant low-grade inflammatory state that damages collagen. By calming this pathway, curcumin allows fibroblasts, the skin cells that make collagen, to work more effectively, producing stronger, more organized collagen fibers. Curcumin also helps fight glycation. Glycation is similar to caramelizing sugar. Excess blood sugar binds to collagen fibers, making them stiff and brittle. This accelerates skin aging and leads to more visible wrinkles. Curcumin helps prevent this process, keeping collagen more supple and skin smoother. Turmeric milk benefits more than just your skin. It can also support eye comfort and deeper sleep. Curcumin promotes a healthy tear film, which keeps eyes moist and reduces puffiness or irritation. It may also improve blood flow to the retina, enhancing overnight repair. Warm turmeric milk before bed can lower evening stress, which supports better quality rest. Deep, restorative sleep is when the body releases the most growth hormone, a key player in collagen repair. Curcumin is not easily absorbed on its own. 2 simple additions can make all the difference. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Because curcumin is fat-soluble, combining it with coconut milk, almond milk, or a teaspoon of coconut or almond oil greatly improves its uptake. Common mistakes to avoid. Several habits can limit the benefits of turmeric milk. Skipping the black pepper, which reduces absorption significantly. Boiling turmeric milk at high heat, which can degrade curcumin. Using sweetened milk or adding too much sugar, which increases glycation and offsets the benefits. The right way to make it. Warm 1 cup, 8 ounces, of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk to a gentle heat, about 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir in 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder. Add a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or almond oil to help dissolve and absorb the curcumin. Optionally add a touch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla for flavor. Sip slowly 60 to 90 minutes before bed for best results. This golden drink is more than just a relaxing evening ritual. It is a targeted science-backed way to reduce inflammation, fight glycation, and protect collagen while you sleep. Now that we have addressed inflammation and strengthened your skin's collagen structure, The next step is to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin from the inside out. That is where the second nighttime drink comes in. Drink number 2. Almond milk. If your skin feels dry to the touch, you notice fine lines around your eyes, or your eyes themselves feel scratchy and irritated, dehydration may be the underlying cause. As we age, the skin's lipid barrier, the natural layer that locks in moisture, can weaken. Without this protective shield, skin loses hydration more quickly, collagen fibers become brittle, and fine wrinkles start to show more prominently. One of the simplest ways to replenish this barrier is by sipping a warm glass of almond milk before bed. Far from just a dairy alternative, almond milk is rich in vitamin E and omega-9 fatty acids, 2 nutrients your skin depends on for hydration, elasticity, and protection against oxidative stress. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that integrates into the skin's cell membranes. Think of it as armor for your collagen fibers. It shields them from oxidative stress caused by UV light, pollution, and everyday environmental exposure. When collagen is protected from oxidative damage, it remains more elastic and better able to maintain the skin's structure. The omega-9 fatty acids in almond milk help strengthen the lipid barrier, reducing transepidermal water loss and keeping skin cells plump and supple. This hydration also benefits the delicate tissues of the eyes, helping reduce dryness and supporting a healthy tear film. Here's where almond milk becomes a true multitasker. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate mood and sleep cycles. Better sleep quality means more growth hormone release during the night, and growth hormone is critical for repairing skin tissue and synthesizing collagen. This makes almond milk not only a moisturizer for your skin, but also a sleep supporter for deeper overnight repair. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin E intake can improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkle depth over time. Omega-9s have been linked to improved barrier function and reduced inflammation. And clinical trials on tryptophan-rich foods confirm their role in promoting relaxation and increasing deep sleep phases. This combination makes almond milk an ideal nighttime drink for anyone over 50 looking to protect collagen and wake up with more hydrated, refreshed skin. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people miss out on almond milk's full benefits by making a few simple errors. Choosing store-bought almond milk that is loaded with added sugar, gums, and preservatives. Excess sugar contributes to glycation, which damages collagen. Drinking it too close to bedtime, leading to middle-of-the-night bathroom trips that disrupt deep sleep cycles. Skipping the warming step. A gently warmed drink is more soothing to the nervous system and helps signal the body it is time to rest. The right way to prepare it. Pour 1 cup, 8 ounces, of unsweetened, organic almond milk into a small pot or mug. Warm it gently to about 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, just enough to feel cozy without boiling. Stir in a small pinch of ground cinnamon. This helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, which further protects collagen from glycation damage. Add a drop of pure vanilla extract for a comforting aroma that enhances relaxation. Sip it about 1 hour before bed to allow time for digestion and to minimize nighttime waking. This is more than just a soothing bedtime ritual. It's a science-backed way to protect collagen, restore hydration, and support overnight skin repair. Now that your skin is hydrated and your collagen is shielded from oxidative stress, the next step is to relax your body and ease tension in the eyes with a classic herbal tea that has stood the test of time. Drink number 3. Chamomile Tea. If your skin looks dull in the morning, your eyes are puffy, or you often wake up feeling unrest, stress may be the real culprit. When stress levels stay high, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone. Chronically elevated cortisol can break down collagen faster, thin your skin, and slow its natural repair process. It also contributes to puffiness and dark circles around the eyes by increasing inflammation and fluid retention. Chamomile tea is one of the gentlest yet most effective ways to counter this. Its calming power comes from a natural compound called apigenin, which binds to GABA receptors in your brain. These receptors act like brakes for your nervous system, helping quiet racing thoughts and signaling your body to wind down. By lowering cortisol levels, chamomile gives your fibroblasts, the skin cells that produce collagen, a better environment to work in. Lower cortisol means less collagen breakdown and better elasticity over time. The antioxidants in chamomile also protect skin cells and eye tissues from oxidative stress, damage caused by free radicals from UV exposure, pollution, and even screen time. This protection is especially valuable for the delicate skin around your eyes, which is thin and more prone to fine lines. Good sleep is one of the most powerful natural collagen boosters. Chamomile doesn't just make you drowsy, it increases the amount of REM and deep sleep you get. During these stages, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for repairing skin and producing fresh collagen. That means fewer fine lines, a more even skin tone, and brighter eyes over time. Research has shown that apigenin can improve both sleep onset and quality, while chamomile's flavonoids reduce inflammation markers in the body. A calmer nervous system and lower inflammation create the perfect conditions for collagen maintenance and regeneration. Common mistakes to avoid. Steeping the tea for too short a time. You need at least 8 to 10 minutes in water around 185 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, to release enough apigenin and antioxidants. Adding too much sugar, which can spike blood sugar and damage collagen through glycation. Drinking multiple large cups right before bed, which can lead to bathroom trips and interrupt your deep sleep. How to prepare it the right way. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or a single tea bag. Pour hot water, 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, over the chamomile and steep for 8 to 10 minutes, covered to retain the beneficial oils. Drink it in a calm, screen-free space. Lowering your exposure to blue light before bed will also help your body produce melatonin naturally. For an extra eye-soothing boost, place a warm, damp compress over closed eyes for 5 to 10 minutes while you sip. This can ease eye strain, hydrate the eye surface, and reduce puffiness. Chamomile tea is more than a bedtime comfort. It's a stress reducer, collagen protector, and eye care ally all in one. By lowering cortisol, supporting restorative sleep, and protecting delicate skin, it works quietly through the night to help you wake up looking fresher and more vibrant. Now that your mind is calm and your body is primed for overnight repair, let's move on to the final drink. A rare, golden-hued infusion that protects your collagen and sharpens your vision at the same time. Drink number 4. Saffron Tea. If you've noticed your night vision isn't as sharp as it used to be, or you've been dealing with more eye strain and fine lines around the eyes, oxidative stress could be playing a big role. Over time, free radicals and a process called glycation, where excess sugars attach to and stiffen collagen fibers, can weaken both your skin and your eyesight. The result: thinner, less elastic skin and gradual decline in visual clarity, especially in low light. Saffron tea may seem like a luxury, but for your skin and eyes, it's more like a powerful investment. The golden threads of saffron contain 2 potent compounds, crocin and saffronal, that act as strong antioxidants. These compounds work to neutralize free radicals, block collagen-damaging enzymes, and protect the protein scaffolding that keeps your skin firm. By reducing glycation, saffron helps maintain collagen's flexibility, preventing the stiffness that leads to wrinkles and sagging. Crocin has been shown in studies to improve blood flow to the retina and choroid, the layers of your eye responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the light-sensitive photoreceptor cells. Better circulation means these cells can repair themselves more effectively. Clinical research even shows that saffron supplementation can slow the progression of early-stage age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Saffronal adds another layer of protection by helping preserve the tear film, which keeps your eyes hydrated and comfortable. That means less dryness, less irritation, and more visual comfort. Especially important if you spend long hours reading or looking at screens. Saffron also influences neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, helping regulate mood and reduce stress. This indirectly benefits your skin and eyes by lowering inflammation and supporting deeper, more restorative sleep, a critical window for collagen repair and eye tissue regeneration. Common mistakes to avoid. Using low-quality or fake saffron, which can be mixed with dyed threads or fillers and won't deliver the same antioxidant benefits. Boiling the saffron directly, which can destroy its delicate bioactive compounds. Over-consuming saffron, large doses can cause dizziness or nausea. How to prepare it correctly. Use 3 to 5 real saffron threads. Look for deep red color with slightly frayed ends and no artificial coloring. Place the threads in a cup and pour over hot water that's just below boiling, around 190 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover and steep for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the water to turn a rich golden orange. Add 1 to 2 drops of raw honey if you'd like a hint of sweetness and an extra antioxidant boost. Drink it warm about 60 minutes before bed, giving your body time to absorb the nutrients without disrupting sleep. Saffron tea isn't just about beauty. It's about protecting the intricate systems that keep you seeing clearly and feeling vibrant. Over time, its protective compounds help preserve collagen in your skin and connective tissues while maintaining healthy circulation to your eyes. This means fewer fine lines, better skin texture, and sharper vision well into your later years. Now that we've covered turmeric milk, almond milk, chamomile tea, and saffron tea, you have a complete evening toolkit for supporting collagen, eye health, and quality sleep. The key is consistency. These drinks aren't quick fixes, but gentle nightly allies that work while you rest. By now, you've discovered how 4 simple bedtime drinks can transform the way your skin, eyes, and body recover overnight. Each one has its own unique strengths. Turmeric milk calms chronic inflammation and protects collagen from glycation, helping your skin stay smoother and more elastic. Almond milk delivers vitamin E and healthy fats to lock in moisture, shield collagen from oxidative stress, and keep skin supple. Chamomile tea lowers stress hormones, promotes deeper sleep, and protects your skin and eyes from oxidative damage. Saffron tea guards against collagen breakdown, boosts blood flow to the eyes, and helps preserve clear, comfortable vision. You don't need to drink all 4 every night. Instead, think of them as a toolkit you can rotate based on your needs. Here's a simple sample schedule. Monday and Thursday, turmeric milk for inflammation control and skin firmness. Tuesday and Friday, almond milk for hydration and elasticity. Wednesday, chamomile tea for stress relief and deep sleep. Sunday, saffron tea for eye health and antioxidant defense. Adjust this rotation to match your skin condition, eye comfort, or stress levels that week. The secret is consistency over perfection. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about building a nightly habit that supports your body's natural repair systems. Over time, these small choices add up to noticeable changes in skin texture, firmness, and overall well-being. Comment glow if you're ready to make one of these collagen-boosting drinks part of your nightly ritual, or tell me where you're watching from. I read and respond to every comment, and I'd love to hear which one you'll start with tonight.